Guys, gawa ko ng meatballs spaghetti. So, ito para sa spaghetti noodles. Ito para sa meatballs. Ito nila namin last Wednesday sa Dorito Lane meatballs. So, 10 pieces ha. Ayan. Oh, ha? Ayan. 10 pesos. So, kamayin lang natin yun. Oops. Teka. Nahinwalay-walay ko na. Lagay na natin dito. Oops. Nasali. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. Sakto. 10. Tag-5 kami. Tag-5 piraso kami. Ng asawa ko. Dito. This yung bagay. This is the previous one. This is the new one. There's a garlic in there. So I'm going to use this sauce. This is my first time to use this one. So let's see if it's good. Yeah, spaghetti noodles. I think I'm gonna directly to put in here the noodles. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Lang ganitong way. Let's see kung masarap pa siya kahit directly na sa nilagay. It's done. Tignan natin ang parmesan. This is mine. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.